Mae Carol Jemison was born in Decatur, Alabama on October 17, 1956, the youngest of three children of Charlie and Dorothy Jemison. She knew from a young age that she wanted to study science and someday go into space. She enjoyed studying nature and human physiology, using her observations to learn more about science. Her mother encouraged her curiosity. After graduating from Chicago's Morgan Park High School in 1973, she entered Stanford University at the age of 16 to study African American studies.
Dr. Jemison went to Cornell Medical School from 1977 to 1981. During medical school, she was interested in international medicine and volunteered in Cuba, Kenya, and the Cambodian refugee camp in Thailand. She was in an internship for 1 year from 1981 to 1982 at Los Angeles County University of Maryland, California Medical Center. She applied to the Peace Corps in hopes to work in the developing world and served as a medical officer in Sierra Leone and Liberia from 1983 to 1985. Dr. Jemison managed healthcare for the Peace Corps and U.S. Embassy personnel. She worked with NIH and CDC on research projects, including development of a hepatitis B vaccine. Dr. Jemison was a general practitioner at Cigna Health Plans of California from 1985 to 1987 until she was accepted to the NASA astronaut program.
After the historic flight of Sally Ride, the first American woman in space, Dr. Jemison applied to NASA's astronaut program, feeling that more opportunities had opened up, but the explosion of the Challenger shuttle put a hold on applications. In 1987, Dr. Jemison became one of the 15 candidates selected out of more than 2,000 people. After a year of training, she became the first female African American astronaut. NASA astronaut Dr. Jemison flew on Space Shuttle Endeavour in September 1992, becoming the first Black woman to travel to space.
Dr. Jemison founded the Dorothy Jemison Foundation for Excellence, which funds science camps for kids. Dr. Jemison was a professor of environmental studies at Dartmouth College for 7 years, starting in 1995. Dr. Jemison continues to speak in favor of science education, especially for minority students.
After going on her first and last mission on the Space Shuttle Endeavour, Dr. Jemison retired from NASA and founded her own company called the Jemison Group, which is a technology consulting firm. Dr. Jemison was the first African American woman to go to space. She is a role model for young girls.